everyone. Welcome to another episode of our Beginner's Guide. And today we're going to have a crash course on Lucidchart. So by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with having the basic skills necessary to present a process through visual representations. Let's get started. So first, let's log in to lucidchart.com. So for those who are not yet familiar with Lucidchart, it is a web-based application that helps users create, share, and collaborate on diagrams, flowcharts, mind maps, and alike. So on their landing page, you will have the option to sign up for free or to log in using your account from Google, Microsoft, or even in Slack. So if you opt to sign up for free, you will just have to answer some personal questions they will prompt, and they will make you proceed to their homepage. And in our case, we will be logging in using our Google account. So this is the Lucidchart homepage where you can view and organize your documents and create and manage folders. You can also import files from other applications like Visio, Draw, OmniGraffle, Glyphy, Miro, and even in Miro. So to start our illustration, let's take a real-life example. We are tasked to create a flowchart to help visualize the procurement process. So to create, let's click the blank diagram on this portion, or we may proceed to this new button, select Lucidchart, and then blank document. So one thing commendable about Lucidchart is that if you're not yet familiar with the process diagrams, they have a variety of templates you can choose or you can start with. In our case, we will be using a blank canvas, so we can just close this template prompt and get started. Once in our canvas, let's rename our document. And on the flowchart section, we will have the shapes menu for every kind of process. So as I start, let's click and drag the process shape on the canvas. So we can resize this process shape by adjusting their corners and double clicking the shape to edit its text. So to create a line to connect another process or to proceed with our next process, we just have to drag away this node and drop a line to commence our next process. And then the next thing you'll see is the shapes menu where we can click the shape of our next process. So since our next step involves decision, we're going to choose decision diamond. And again, double click the shape to edit text and say we only have two options for this process. We have to either receive the item or not yet receive the item. So on this side, as we draw the line, you'll notice the yes option. Therefore, let's label the process with proceed to payment. Therefore, the other will result to the no option, which we will label with follow up order. And there you go. We have our simple visual representation of the procurement process. So proceeding to the last part of this tutorial is publishing, sharing, and exporting. So to publish means your content will be visible to anyone in the web. So what we're going to do is to go to File, select Publish, and we will have the options to choose from. Full document using URL, full document using PDF, single page, PDF or image, or area selection through an image. Once we've selected what we want, let's generate the link. And once it is available, we can exit the publish option and proceed to the permission level. Just click this chain-like icon beside the share button. Click change permissions. And then let's set the permission level according to our preference. Once your setting is done, click manage and then click done. So that's how to publish your content. Next is to share. So to share, all we have to do is click the share button and we have two options. It's either to directly send through Lucidchart accounts or to share through a shareable link. So if we opt to send through Lucidchart accounts, all we have to do is add the account on this portion, and let's edit the preferential option wherein you have the authority whether you want them to edit and share, to edit only, to comment only, or to view only. And if we opt to send a shareable link, all we have to do is on the shareable link, we just have to toggle on this option. And once the link is available, we just have to again edit the preference according to how we want our collaborators to access with us or to our file, and then copy the link and paste the link wherever we want them to be available. And lastly, to export a document or to download a file. So all we have to do is go to the File menu, select Export. So let's choose whatever file type that we want. And then we have the option to select for whatever document we want our file to be, at full canvas or to be a crop content. And once we've decided our setting, all we have to do is click download. And that's it for today. I hope this tutorial helped your way through Lucid Charts. Don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching.